In the world of cruiser motorcycles, affordability and capability often seem at odds. While there's no shortage of budget-friendly options, many either skimp on power or leave riders wanting more in terms of comfort and features. At the entry level, Royal Enfield's Meteor 350 and Yamaha's V-Star 250 stand out as some of the most accessible cruisers on the market, with price tags hovering around $4,700 to $4,800. These machines certainly have their merits, but for riders who want something a bit more substantial, something that feels ready to grow with them, it's worth considering a step up in both engine size and overall quality. Enter the CFMoto 450CL-C, a cruiser that perfectly straddles the line between beginner-friendly and fully equipped. Priced just under $6,000, this bike presents a compelling package for newcomers and those who want a cruiser that's capable, stylish, and packed with thoughtful features without overwhelming complexity or cost. It's CF Moto's sole cruiser offering, but one that manages to blend a lively yet manageable parallel twin engine, comfortable ergonomics, and modern tech in a way rarely seen at this price point. The heart of the 450CL-C is a 449 cubic centimetre, liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, borrowed from CF Moto's sport and adventure lineups, but tuned here to suit cruiser sensibilities. This engine produces a lively 40 horsepower and 30 pound-feet of torque, peaking at 8,000 and 6,250 RPM respectively. Its 270-degree crankshaft provides a smooth, distinctive exhaust note and a balanced character thanks to a double counterbalance design. What makes this power plant stand out is its versatility. 80% of its torque is available between 2,000 and 3,000 RPM, giving the bike a snappy and responsive feel ideal for city traffic, yet still plenty capable of holding its own on the highway. This makes it an ideal all-around cruiser that's equally comfortable on tight urban streets or open roads. In terms of dimensions and rider comfort, the 450CL-C is thoughtfully designed for accessibility. With a wheelbase just shy of 59 inches and a curb weight under 400 pounds, it's nimble and easy to handle, even in tight spots, a crucial factor for new riders. The low seat height of 27 inches further broadens its appeal, especially for shorter riders or those who prefer their feet to plant firmly on the ground at stops. The riding position is classic cruiser, featuring forward-set foot pegs and wide, swept-back handlebars that promote a relaxed, upright posture. The seat itself is scooped and padded enough to offer solid lower back support, contributing to comfortable, longer rides. Its 3.2-gallon fuel tank strikes a balance between range and weight, supporting longer rides without sacrificing maneuverability. Technology-wise, the CF Moto 450CL-C punches well above its weight. Its centerpiece is a 3.6-inch circular TFT display, which includes Bluetooth connectivity and the brand's RideSync app. This setup enables smartphone mirroring, allowing riders to view calls, messages, and navigation directly on the dash, a rare feature in this price segment. Beyond that, the bike includes premium touches like a slipper clutch for smoother downshifts, dual-channel ABS for confident braking, traction control for enhanced safety, and a suite of smart alerts and engine monitoring features. Security isn't overlooked either, with anti-theft protocols and live vehicle diagnostics integrated into the system. Mechanically, the 450CL-C rides on a sturdy tubular steel frame with inverted front forks and a preload adjustable rear monoshock suspension setup. The front fork is non-adjustable, but does a good job balancing comfort and control. Braking is managed by J. Juan discs, 320mm up front and 220mm at the rear, offering reliable stopping power. The bike rolls on diamond-cut 16-inch alloy wheels shod in chunky CST tyres that blend classic cruiser style with practical road performance. Instead of a traditional chain, it uses a belt drive, which requires less maintenance and keeps things cleaner, ideal for riders who want simplicity. Styling is another area where the 450CL-C shines. It embraces a neo-retro aesthetic with clean lines and classic cruiser cues. The sculpted fuel tank, twin-barrel exhausts, and round headlamp housings recall the golden age of motorcycling, while subtle details like faux silver finished fins on the cylinder heads add a touch of vintage charm. The bike's blacked-out components and dual-tone paint options inject modern attitude, and the uniquely designed LED headlamp elevates its street presence with a refined, sophisticated look. Comparing the 450CL-C to some of its well-known rivals in the entry-level cruiser market highlights its strengths and trade-offs. The Honda Rebel 500, with its 471 cubic centimetre parallel twin engine, offers slightly more power and torque, 45 horsepower and nearly 32 pound-feet respectively, but comes at a significantly higher price, around $6,800 for the ABS-equipped model. While it carries a design lineage tied to its larger Rebel 1100 sibling, it's about $1,000 more expensive than the CF Moto. Honda also offers a more affordable Rebel 500 trim without ABS, but even then, it's still more costly than the 450CL-C. The Kawasaki Eliminator, packing a 451cc parallel twin that cranks out around 47 horsepower on the dyno, edges out both in outright power and torque, with nearly 32 pound-feet. It's also lighter than the CF Moto at roughly 388 pounds and features a slightly larger 3.4-gallon fuel tank. However, its seat height of nearly 29 inches can be less accessible to shorter riders, a category where the 450CL-C clearly shines with its notably lower seat and approachable ergonomics. While the Eliminator leans more toward urban agility, the CF Moto's combination of comfort and torque makes it a credible choice for riders who want their cruiser to serve as a capable mile eater as well. To summarise the CF Moto 450, CL-C's specifications and overall package. It is powered by a 449 cubic centimetre, liquid-cooled parallel twin engine with a 270-degree crank, producing 40 horsepower and 30 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 6-speed transmission. The bike's curb weight is a manageable 399 pounds, and it features a low 27-inch seat height for enhanced accessibility. Its wheelbase measures 58.5 inches, with overall dimensions that balance a stretched cruiser profile and urban practicality. The 3.2-gallon fuel tank supports extended rides without compromising weight. Premium touches include a TFT display with Bluetooth and smartphone mirroring, slipper clutch, dual-channel ABS, traction control, Type-C charging, and LED lighting. Suspension consists of inverted front forks and preload adjustable rear monoshock, while braking relies on J1 discs. The bike rides on 16-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels wrapped in road-biased tyres, and the belt final drive adds maintenance convenience. Styling blends neo-retro charm with modern finishes, making it as visually appealing as it is functional. In essence, the CF Moto 450CL-C offers an exceptional entry point into cruiser riding. It combines accessible power and torque, manageable size and weight, beginner-friendly ergonomics, and impressive tech features, all wrapped in a stylish package that costs significantly less than many rivals. It is a cruiser that doesn't just serve as a first bike, but one that can be a rewarding companion for riders looking to build their confidence and experience over time, without feeling the need to upgrade too quickly. For those starting their journey in the world of cruisers, or anyone seeking a practical, affordable, and fun motorcycle with the right balance of vintage style and modern convenience, the 450CL-C deserves serious consideration. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for new upcoming videos of motorcycles. Thanks for watching.